To create freckles, we're going to use 3 different colored pencils. So these are actually eyebrow pencils, and you need 3 different shades of brown. Freckles usually come in different shades, and we also want to try to make them look really natural on the skin. So I'm going to start with the lighter one, just get a little bit, and we're going to place that on the skin, and we're going to spin slightly like that. Now, freckles usually come in concentrations, and they usually sit around the same part on the face, usually around the nose, a little bit on the cheekbone, and sometimes on the forehead as well. So you can choose your placement as much as you want. I am just going to apply some around my nose and a few under here too. And you can see how I'm just twisting the pencil because I want to actually get some different shades there. A few on my chin. And again, you can add as many or as little as you like. Okay, it looks a little bit crazy at this stage, but I promise it's gonna work. Another one, this is the medium brown, and we're gonna do the same thing. So that's just to build the intensity because they all have slightly different color. So you wanna make sure you create that kind of natural look. Some on my chin, a little bit more here, and add the dots as you like. Now we're going to get the darker shade. One more. And we're going to do the same thing. Now you can see some of them look really strong and some other ones look a little bit more natural. Now what we're going to do, we're going to use the brush we use for our foundation. And we're going to start pushing. So what we're trying to do here is basically push the freckle into the skin and make it look natural. So if I keep pushing that, they kind of fade in a little bit. And you can see almost like if it's a little shadow. One a little bit too big there. And you can see, if you look closely, you have freckles. Some natural looking freckles. Now we can use a little bit of setting powder. Just take that shine off. And off I go. And that's how you create natural looking freckles.